Hello guys, do you want to make motion graphics like those with a zero knowledge in montaging softwares? Hello everyone again, we have this amazing site. Each one of us, a graphic designer or a motion graphic designer especially, tried to make a viral effect or tried to copy some scene. He saw it on a video and he was facing some problems while doing that. Say those glass effects or flipping effects or morphing. So we came here to our amazing site. It's called Jitter.video. Now, as always, let's sign up first. We continue with our Google. Now we are in. So you type anything here, click on continue, designer, and now you can skip this. Let's browse the templates. Let's click on the stack testimonial. Let's read the description. An animated testimonial template that reveals quotes as a stack of cards one at a time. A more engaging alternative to a static quote graphic for social media or marketing videos. Here we have the date and here we have the duration of this template, the ratio and the collection. So we click on use this template. Now on this, you can choose any background you want. You can choose what to write on this glassy box. And let's get a preview on that. So this is the full animation. Let's try to edit it and get back to you. So after some editing, here's the final result. We can click on export right here. And as you can see, we have a lot of options. Here is all the free options, which is 720. After download it to our PC, you notice that there is watermark on the bottom right corner. And you can easily remove that. You can check my video. I'll leave it on the top right corner with a time stamp. You can check it there. Let's see the full video now. Okay, for enhancing the quality from 720, which is this one, to 4K, I have a trick for that. Keep watching my channel. I'm uploading this video on the upcoming days. And as always, if you felt that I helped you with my tutorials, please help me back by liking and subscribing for my channel. And as always, thank you for watching.